Gee, you're way too close enough, thank you. No turn on red, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. You have no turn on red there, don't do it. You're doing it. Don't turn on red, no turn on red, no turn on red. Yeah, close enough, geek. Oh, hi, no one's coming. We're in the red. We're in the red. Don't hit me, for fuck's sake. Good move, stupid. You're supposed to stop and not die from the right. Go, you fucking twat machine! Could you wait until I pull in, you fuckhead? I hate this fucking mall. Why did I come here? Stop maybe? I don't know. Stop maybe? I don't know. Stop maybe? I don't know. Well, okay then. Right turn dive. Yeah, we're in the red. Toyo turd. Yeah, you get close the fuck enough. Bomb right the fuck out in front of me, honey, no problem. And it got out. Shopping plaza dive. Okay, are we gonna stop here? Are you gonna stop? Nobody ever stops here. See, told you. Folks make it. What are the chances that Amazon runs the road? Wait, it don't do it. You have a red light! Douchebag. Probably an Amazon driver, because you know how they are. Clunk, clunk. Is that next time? Hi there, how you doing? Nice to see you. I sure play that double speed. And next up, edible arrangements. Yeah, dip. Thanks. I don't think you like to do that. Toyo's hard. I don't think you stopped. You did not stop. I will stop. I will look. There's no one coming. I will go. Are you going to stop? Not really. You didn't stop. Okay. Ambulance. Pull over, pull over, pull over, you dick nozzle. We're in the red, we're in the red. T-shirt and something else. Hi, get off my ass. Psycho bun action up my butt hair. Uh-oh. You get off my fucking ass, Missy.
Turn left, then turn left.
Get off my cycle bun. Get off my butt. Yeah, later. Stop.